Then now in the nighttime, do the low speed, do the quiet speed. All right, right now, look, it's on. You can't even hear it. Now, if you're watching a show, a TV program, whatever, a movie, do the quiet.
Quiet one.
You put it over there, it's still purifying the air. You feel it. Here, put it right there. It's still pure. It's taking the dust out, but it's quiet. All right. Now, come and see this right here. This also has a timer. That's a timer. Look, half hour, 1 hour, 90 minutes. So if you're going to work, leave it on, and then it shuts off. So you don't have to be thinking, oh my God, I left this on, and then use it as an air purifier. Now check this out. This is only on a minute. I don't even think that long. Maybe a minute, but before it was clear, because it was clear enough to drink. All right. All right, Dave, you got to come down over here because I want you to show our customers. And look at what it pulled out of the air. Can you see it? That's bananas.
All those
you see it. That's bananas. It's crazy because that's what you're breathing. And that was only on a minute. So imagine a half hour, an hour. So that's how you could use it as an air purifier. All right? Now listen to this. You won't drink the dirty water. It's dirty. You wouldn't drink it before because you have the chlorine. So if you won't drink the dirty water, this is what I tell people. Look at this right here. So if you don't drink the dirt, if it doesn't make sense to drink the water, then look, it don't make no sense to breathe all that dirty air. All right? So that's how you could use it as an air purification. All right, so that's the air wash. So that's how you could use it to filter the air. All right.